Hey guys, my name is Yan Sikorski. I'm really glad to welcome you again in our video series Top 7 Ideas for the Next Trading Session. This video series I'll be sharing with you my top 7 ideas for the next market session. Well, first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with Euro-Dollar. In Euro-Dollar, I recommended you short Euro-Dollar price from reversal model near this important resistance level around 1.13, and as you can see, price hit my first target around 1.1240. Another idea was in the pound USD. Look at the pound USD. Here I also recommended you short this currency pair if price get a bounce from this important resistance level, and as you can see, price hit my first target around 1.2450. Another idea was in New Zealand USD. I said we have to wait how price will react for this important level around 0.6520, and as you can see, price hold above this level. That's why it was nice entry point for a long. And as you can see here, price hit my first target around 0.6560. Another idea in the gold, I recommended you long gold price hold above this consolidation. As you can see, price try to hold above right now. That's why this idea still work. That's why if you're in a position right now, just stay in position and you will be fine, I believe, because your first target will be around 1788. Another idea was in oil. In oil, I recommended you long oil with price hold above $40 per contract. As you can see, price hold above this level and almost hit my first target around $41 per contract. Another idea was in Adobe. I recommended you long Adobe. My first target was around 445. As you can see, in the previous session, price hit my first target around 445. And the last idea was in advanced micro devices stocks, and look like. As I said, we have to wait how price will react for 50 to 50. If price for breakout of this level and hold above this level, it will be a nice opportunity for a long. But like as you can see, price not hold above this level. That's why I don't entry points. But anyway, you can wait. When price hold above this level, and when price hold above this level, you can long the stocks, and your first target will be around $55 per share. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. In today's ideas, let's start with Euro-Dollar. As you can see, price right now try to get a bounce from this level. That's why I recommended you short this currency pair, and the first target will be around 1.1250. But if you can see what the price within impulsive from breakout of this level, then pullback fractal, you can close your short position and open long position. In this case, the first target will be around 1.1350. Another idea in the pound USD. I recommend you long this currency pair. I recommend you long this currency pair. The first target will be around 1.2540. New Zealand USD price right now in your import resistance level, and as you can see, price try to get a bounce from this level. I expect for the price from the pullback until 0.6520 in this case. Another idea in the gold, I recommend you long gold because price within the positive from breakout of this consolidation, then test this consolidation. That's why I recommend you long gold, and the first target will be around 1790. Another idea in oil right now. I expect for the price from pullback. I recommend you short oil with the price going until 41.50 from reversal model here, and you can short this instrument, and the first target will be around $50 per contract. Another idea in USD Canadian dollar. Right now, price near important to support level around 1.3520. And right now, as you can see, price try to get a bounce from this level. That's why I recommend you long this currency pair, and the first target will be around 1.36. And the last idea will be in AMD stocks. As you can see, price right now an important resistance level around 50 to 50. That's why I recommended you long this currency. When price hold above this level, I recommend you long these stocks. In this case, the first target will be around $55 per share. Well guys, this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next videos.